Hi, today I'm Chris, and I'm going to show you what a fridge is. A fridge is a place to hold stuff. Like shit. And shit. You know?
Potato attack.
Who fuck did that gave a dent to the... What's the large question is, what the fuck is beneath the spinach leaves? Or behind it? It's a can of, no, it's something with a fucking spoon and shit. Sour cream.
That's not sour cream, it's under it.
Oh fuck no, it's sour cream. Here, look, here.
I'll get it out. Fuck, what the fuck? That's a fucking can of... What is that? Fucking cheese, you dumb fuck. Look, we're knocking over shit. Okay. Look, beneath us is... Wait, hold on. Oh, fuck. It's the next level down. Oh, fuck, I'm knocking over shit. The ketchup's on the next level, even farther than that. Oh, fuck. Oh, look what level up. Hold on, DJ. I'm trying to make a movie. Oh shit. Stop fucking with the fridge. Oh my god, I would have stabbed you in the fuck. Look all the stuff up there, but you can't get up there because it's glass.